your home cool during Ontario's hot summer months is essential. But how do you know when your air conditioner needs repair? Here are some common warning signs. If the air conditioner is blowing warm air, that could indicate low refrigerant, a faulty compressor, or thermostat issues. Weak or no airflow, that may be due to a clogged air filter, blocked ducts, or a failing blower motor. Unusual noises, banging, grinding, or squealing noises might signal a failing motor or loose components. Frequent cycling means your air conditioner turns on and off too often and could be struggling due to a dirty air filter or a faulty thermostat. If you're experiencing higher energy bills, a sudden spike could mean your AC is working harder than necessary due to inefficient components. Leaks, water pooling around your unit, might be a clogged drain line, refrigerant leak, and something that requires immediate attention. Repair costs. AC repair costs vary based on the issue. A clogged air filter replacement can range from $75 to $200. A thermostat repair or replacement between $200 and $500. A recharge of the refrigerant in the system could be anywhere between $300 and $800, or a blower motor repair, which could range from $500 to $1,200. A full compressor replacement could range anywhere between $1,500 and $3,500. If your AC is over 10 years old, replacing it might be more cost-effective in the long run. Repair or replace. When deciding whether to repair or replace your AC, here are some factors to consider. First, the age of the unit. If the age of the unit is over 10 years, it may be less efficient and more likely to require replacement. The repair costs. If repairs approach 50% of the cost of a new unit, replacement is advisable. Energy efficiency. Newer models have higher SEER ratings, leading to lower energy bills. Refrigerant type. Older units using R22 refrigerant are more expensive to maintain. Preventative maintenance. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs. Things like changing air filters every 1 to 3 months, scheduling annual professional inspections, keeping the outdoor unit clean and free of debris, monitoring for leaks or unusual noises, and ensuring proper thermostat settings inside the home. Need your AC repaired in the Simcoe County area? If your AC isn't performing as it should, don't wait for the heat to become unbearable. Contact Affordable Comfort for reliable and professional AC repair services.